welcome back to another exciting video with me, Michelle,
Christian,
Caroline,
and Michaela's back there. In today's video, if you've been following us, you know that we have drove 600 miles to Fidget shop. Today we're at Walmart, and we're gonna go see how many fidgets they have in there that we can buy with no budget, because of course, tomorrow we're not driving 600 more miles to come fidget shop. But first we have a challenge for you guys.
like and subscribe with your favorite fidget.
Well, we want them to like, we want them to subscribe, and comment below their favorite fidget in 5 seconds.
So give them 6 seconds.
6?
Yeah, because
okay.
maybe they want to choose them.
Yeah, they gotta choose their favorite fidget. All right, let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Thanks, guys. If you did it, let's head into Walmart. Guys, I'm actually super excited to see what they actually have in this Walmart, because guys, all Walmarts, especially when we're in a different state, have different things, so I'm excited. Ooh, we came up to the Squishmallows.
Oh, look at this. You see him?
Oh, he's cute too. I like him. That's pretty much, yeah, he is fun. So we're coming up to a hot mess. Everybody has thrown stuff somewhere, but this is probably where Fidgets. Oh, this is balloon fun. I thought it was like the monkey noodles. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, good job, Christian. You've already found the balls.
That's a lot of these.
I know. Guys, so they've got red, they've got green, yellow, and blue. Which color, comment below, should we actually get?
Red.
Which color should we choose, Christian? You want red?
Yeah.
You like the blue? All right, red or blue?
Find something else.
What, slime? Ooh, what is this? Grape slush. And they also have watermelon ice. Oh, and I see a kiwi crush.
I found one.
That's not a fidget we need. Nope, put that back. That's no. Look at this, Christian. Ooh, the gross creepy crawlers. But there's just this random one. Look at all this stuff back there, guys. I see poppets.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Christian, don't do that. Here, look, let's see if they're up here, buddy. What'd you find? Poppets? Christian, it's actually super cute. It's like a little strawberry. Wait, what other ones did you find? This one? And there's this one. I like these. Okay, guys. So out of these 3, which one would you choose? I really like the strawberry. Okay, let's put it in the buggy because we do not have a strawberry in our collection. Look, this one's randomly laying there too. It's so cute. It's like a little bow. I feel like I've already hit the jackpot because our Walmart does not have, it doesn't have this kind of stuff. So I'm already liking everything that I'm seeing. I do have mini brains. We don't really collect those. Oh, these are the fun ones, the mystery ones.
cute.
I think we should put that in the cart.
Yes.
Oh, the yo-yos. Are those considered fidgets?
I think so.
I think so. It
It's
should be.
like this one too, Christian. It's
Wait,
blue.
That's a different type of yo-yo.
I
That's kinda
know.
Cool.
It's a yo-yo ball. Let's see, Christian.
Does it automatically come up on its own?
Let's see. It does.
That's kind of cool.
I think we should put one of those in the cart.
Said you like this.
What is this? These are so cool. These are,
Oh no.
okay, oops. They're fidget cubes. I think we should put one of these in the cart, because I've actually never seen those before. Think about this. This is a weird looking spinner. Nah, okay. Christian, look at this, where somebody's put these to the back. Care Bears, they're Mash'ems. Caroline, have you seen these Care Bear Mash'ems? No, look, I think you actually mash them. I think they're little squishies in
Are they
there.
like the ones that we normally get from like
Yeah, like Squish'ems.
Care Bears? That's kind of cool.
I want a Care Bear.
I don't want the blue one.
Yeah, me too.
Is that the one you're gonna try for?
Yep.
Or the purple. The green's kind of cute too.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Okay, we'll go put him in the cart. What did you find?
Poppets.
Oh wow, these are unicorn poppets. Those are kind of cute. Do you like those? Nah. Somebody's opened that glob of it. Whoa, wait, Christian. They have color changing Nidos somewhere. Where are they at? Find them. There, the whole box. What? Oh my gosh, guys, look.
I carry them all.
Look, it's hid. Christian, the splat balls. It's look back there. Oh, a squish yum. I want this. That's what I wanted to see. Yes, what is that? Is that like the atomic fidget ball? I've never seen one of these in person. Okay, that's going to our cart, guys. All right, this is kind of super cute too. And look at this, Christian. It is a big
milk one.
It's a baby bottle. Hey, look behind there. Do y'all see any more fidgets? Like, people are hiding them everywhere. They just made a mess of this whole area. Okay, let's see behind the Nidos if there's anything. Nope. Do you guys see anything else hidden? What'd you find? Oh, ooh. And you're playing with it?
Ew.
Is it slime?
Yeah.
All right, look. Somebody has opened all these splat balls. So whatever they were, we have no idea.
Oh,
That's cute. Oh, I like that too. Put it in the cart. Oh, Ryan Toys. Let's see what he's got out. Ryan's World, collect them all. Oh, that's not that's not a fidget. What's this? Oh, Christian, it's a puzzle piece. No to the puzzle piece. Dino sand that's broken up. I think that is what we've got. Look at all this, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, this looks like it's just a bunch of Play-Doh. Nothing good in here, buddy.
I don't ride there.
You're gonna meet me at checkout? Alright guys, we're back in the car. Not gonna lie, we hit the jackpot in there. We have, our whole bag is full of fidgets. We're not gonna show you in this one. You know you have to come back. I'm gonna of course do a haul of where we drove 600 miles. I always though do let Christian show you his favorite one. So go ahead and show your favorite fidget off. Yeah? The yo-yo ball. I know. Alright guys, that was absolutely a great video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I love everything we got, and we'll see you in the next. Bye!